The only bad thing about coming to Publix when it comes down to these oxtails are they're going to charge you. They're going to charge you versus going to the farmer's market. You get so much of a better deal going to the farmer's market and so much more meat. They gave me a flower, which is so sweet. I love flowers. That's one thing about me. Like, everybody knows I love flowers. White flowers. This one was $19. This one is $14. What? Whatever. First, you always want to clean off your oxtails, whether it's in apple cider vinegar, regular vinegar, or lime juice. I'm probably gonna do lime juice and ACV. It takes off all that nasty yuckiness. Hey guys, so I finally cut up my veggies over here. As you guys saw in that last clip, we have some fresh oregano, thyme, peppers, onions. Now these I'm gonna saute them and put them on top, but these are going inside the mix of the oxtails. And as for my habanero, listen, this is gonna go in once we make the juices and stuff. Now, I don't know about you, but for me and my oxtails, I like to go behind and trim the fat. I don't like so much fat. You see all of that? Yeah, that's unnecessary. Let's go ahead and trim the fat to each and every one of these. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and trim the fat on these so that we don't have to work so hard when it comes down to the cooking process. Okay guys, these are my freshly washed oxtails. Now usually I like to pat them dry with a paper towel, but unfortunately that was that one thing I forgot at the supermarket. A little bit of olive oil and my special guest seasoning. I have adobo here, I have oxtail seasoning, I have some salt, I have some browning, I have some smoked paprika, some soy sauce, the less sodium one, and I have W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Obviously I cannot say it, but hey, you know what I'm talking about. Now my seasoning is called Sweet Heat. I'm still working on it, and soon enough you guys will be able to purchase it yourself online. Sweet Heat, yeah, it describes me very well. Adobo, don't be shy with your pour, okay? Let that thing, you feel me? That's some salt. Oh, that was smoked paprika. I'm gonna put the salt in. Now as for the adobo, adobo already has black pepper, but I'm going to also put black pepper. My seasoning I'm about to put it in here. Soy sauce, light sodium soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Does anybody know how to pronounce that sauce like how it's supposed to be? Because I sure as heck don't. Still. I do want to add just a little bit more of my seasoning. Y'all stay tuned. Look out for my seasoning. Look at that juice at the bottom, y'all. Y'all see it? Ooh, juicy. Make sure when you make your oxtails, I feel like the best way to make them, leave them in the fridge overnight so the flavors can, you know, absorb each other. And that's really how I make my oxtails. I usually do it a day ahead, but we wanted oxtails, so. All right, so next thing is my Grace jerk seasoning. I have mild on here. We like hot, but not everybody can handle hot. You get what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep it cute. Keep it cute, real cute. Like I said, this is another key ingredient to perfecting your oxtail. Oh, it's gonna be so good, y'all. Watch. Wait, major key, y'all, major key. And this is what I forgot to put into it. I forgot to put the ginger and the garlic. So at this point, we just gonna throw that thing in there, mix it around. But I have two seasonings that are going to be coming out really soon. So excited about it. If you go back into the old videos, like you can see, I am a foodie. I love to eat. I love to cook. I love to make other people's stomachs happy. That he's gonna do things that I wouldn't imagine him doing. You feel me? Faith in God for bringing us to this point right here. So the first one is called Sweet Heat. And the other one is Honey Curry. Now sis, my seasonings is gonna get you right. Y'all, 4 long hours later, this is the final result. I plated it up and it looks absolutely beautiful. Not only does it look beautiful because I already tasted it, it tastes wonderful. Leave a comment, let me know how you felt about it.